What in the Made in America am I looking at? This is a 24 Ranger Raptor with the 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost. This thing is eating Tacomas and pooping out Colorados. Look at this little monster. I feel like this thing is literally about to transform, do a roundhouse, have a bald eagle land on its shoulder, smash 2 Miller Lights together, and just start pounding them. Look at that bad boy. That just screams America. Let's take a little peekaboo back here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The skitties. No way. I think these are KO3s. They sure are the KO3s. Ooh. Oh, boo. Oh, Recaros? What? Who's got the Recaro seats? No way. Oh, yeah. That thing means business there. Fox Live Active Shocks, the Haas 4.0 suspension. So it's a pre-owned 24, I can't remember how many miles, like 17,000 miles or something. Now this will come with a bald eagle if you buy it, so you better hurry up.